Mayong adlaw sa tanan. Ako Sir Herbert Canilaw and owner sa Canilaw Farm and at the same time learning site sa ETI dito sa Zamboanga Peninsula. 2012 palit ni namo sa akong wife ni Yuta, situated here in Barangay Lapidian, Pagadian City. May population kami for 2,000 plus lettuce heads. First venture na mo diri is hog raising lang yun. Eventually, may mga challenges sa hog raising. Following years of that, yung pandemic dumating. Kaya yun na-discover namin yung lettuce production namin through hydroponic farming. Isa lang sa mga challenges namin dito is water supply. Especially during this time, El Nino. Yung hydroponic kasi is more on water talaga. Hindi kasi siya soil-based. It all starts there until na pagplanuhan namin ng wife ko na mag-put up ng mas malaking greenhouse. Ito yung nakikita nyo ngayon sa loob. In-apply namin tong farm namin as learning site sa ETI. It's because para maging site or lugar talaga siya for our learning of agriculture. Yun yung pinaka main purpose po namin. Message sa mga youth, bigyan po talaga natin ng halaga yung pagpa-farming. It promotes sustainability din sa ating society at saka enjoy din yung magpa-farming kasi in physical activity, palagi kang gumagalaw at saka it gives another impact to your health also.